四輪バギー、マウンテンバイク、ジャングル体験、ビーチアクティビティ、クアロアランチ、
アロハ。
今回はオアフ島にあるクアロアランチのバギー体験をご紹介します。さあ、バギー体験の始まりです。レッツゴー。広大なクアロアの山々を風を切りながら駆け抜けます。泥跳ねや水たまりも気にせず、思い切りアクセルを踏み込みましょう。クアロアランチは山岳、渓谷、太平洋を望む風景が広がる自然豊かな敷地で、映画のロケ地としても知られています。
Le sort tombant sur le plus jeune, le sort tombant sur le plus jeune. Le mousse qui se mit à pleurer, le mousse qui se mit à pleurer. Ohé, ohé. On cherche alors à quelle sauce, on cherche alors à quelle sauce. Le pauvre enfant sera mangé, le pauvre enfant sera mangé. Ohé, ohé.
Today I'm going ATVing on a tropical outdoor adventure. I can't wait to go off-roading through one of the most lush, beautiful landscapes in the world. Hollywood films like Jurassic Park were filmed right here. Let's go and discover them in real life. Safety first, helmets on.
Today we're going on an ATV tour, and we are going to go through a couple different valleys here at Kualoa. So we're going to drive through Ka'ava Valley, which is a big, open, vast, beautiful valley. We're going to go through Hakipu'u, which is more jungle and lush. It's only about a 50-minute drive from Waikiki, and it's absolutely worth it.
So right now we've been passing through some iconic film sites. Jumanji, Jurassic Park, 50 First Dates. You get to see them all while you're driving your ATV. If you want to stop out and take pictures, you can. If you want to just keep it moving, you can. You've got a lot of freedom. We are entering Jurassic World. Woo!
So all the ATV tours are guided, and once you get out at each one of the stops, the guides will get out with you and tell you a little bit about the history, the culture, the movie sites, and Kualoa in general. Right. Wow, this is a beautiful lush rainforest, so it's really different than Ka'ava Valley, which is a wide, open, vast valley.
You guys see that? It's a little panoramic postcard for you. Kualoa Ranch is a 4,000-acre private nature reserve, which is impossible to see by foot, right? So being on an ATV is a great way to cover a lot of ground. They go over rocks, you can go through streams, you can go up and down hills, you can really tap into your adventurous side. It's a whole different mood when the clouds start to roll in. It's kind of eerie and enchanting. Riding through Kualoa Ranch on an ATV was so much fun. This was one of the most incredible ways to explore the natural beauty that Oahu has to offer.
Mahalo。今日の動画を最後までご覧いただき本当にありがとうございます。少しでも楽しんでいただけたらぜひいいねボタンを押して応援してくれると嬉しいです。まだチャンネル登録していない方はチャンネル登録をして最新の動画を見逃さないようにしてくださいね。コメント欄で感想や質問もお待ちしております。関連動画やおすすめの動画は概要欄に表示されているのでぜひチェックしてみてください。それではまた次の動画でお会いしましょう。